Welcome to the unboxing show. I'm Floris and today...
The world is mine, nigga, get back. Don't fuck with my stack, the gauge is whack. About to drop...
I have just bought the MSI GS60 2PC 265NL Ghost laptop with student discount cashback purchase price reduction, extra credit and free shipping. So let's start unboxing the... The first thing we encounter is the laptop sleeve. The laptop sleeve is included for extra protection to keep everything safe. Unboxing. So now that we have seen the flop-wop, we can take a look at what's inside the rest of the box. This must be the money from the student discount cashback purchase price reduction. And over here we have the power brick. Now what's interesting about this power brick is that it's very exclusive. You won't get this when you buy a Honda Civic Type R DC5. And the last box contains all the manuals and the driver CD. Unboxing. This is a super speed certified universal serial bus 3.0 port. This is your standard size SD card slot and SIM card reader combo. This is your Hetero Daddy multilingual interface port. This is a mini differentiating flux capacitor. This is for accessing the acid reflux dimension. And on this side you have a port where you can insert your daily chromosome sacrifices. This is the slot for powering up your duck salad. These are for transferring videos into the different dimensions. This is the mensuration cycle conversion system output drive. And I use this to listen to music, so I can imagine a life where I don't have an abusive wife and I can't forget how my dad left me. Unboxing.
This has been the unboxing experience. Bye bye.
The world is mine, nigga, get back. Don't fuck with my stack, the gauge is whack.